and we struggle as a research community to agree on the safe solution and everything. So if it's still behind the research level, means at the professional level is much lower. So the codes take, I don't know, 5-10 years at least to update, and so you can expect that we should, as I said, we should push for for fast research, but also should be also pushed by the industry, but this should be pushed for there is a need to understand that.
We are on the brink of overcoming this fragmented data and data loss. Probably machine learning will play a huge role here too.
If you increase the complexity and you do it very fast, all of a sudden you really need a very high level of competency.
So there are some products which are already commercialized. There is like the bioconcrete. They have some when they have embedded bacteria, and if there is like a crack occurring, the water is coming on, they are like starting to grow.
Is you ready to switch off on? So, but it's just the first from the inside. Please do not go inside, so you can have a look. If you go inside, this is for careful. Because it's not very normal.
And I hope that this just leads, is a starting point for us to continue discussions. So Jose, thank you very much for continuing to support me and to support the team, and I know you already made some connections with Andrea, and to support all of us in our ecosystem. So, thank you.